AI/ML model, patient predictions, actual vs predicted. Pradeep Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. From a doctor and patient perspective, using an AI/ML model for patient predictions, actual vs predicted, as shown in video, provides powerful insight into how well a medical model is performing. Let's break this down. Image interpretation. This is a bar and line chart combination that compares the actual observed values with the predicted values for 10 patients. Here's what we see. Bar chart. Blue bars, actual measured values, example test results, diagnosis scores, or treatment responses. Red bars, values predicted by the AI/ML model. Line chart. Cyan dashed line with circles, trends of actual values. Red dotted line with circles, trends of predicted values. Doctor's point of view. 1. Treatment accuracy check. Doctors can visually compare how close the AI's predictions are to reality. If predictions closely follow actual values, it increases trust in the system. 2. Identifying anomalies. Large gaps, like in patient 1 or 7, show where the model may not be capturing all clinical factors. This can trigger further investigations. 3. Model validation. Doctors can use this chart to validate if the AI model is reliable for diagnostic or therapeutic decision support. Patient's point of view. 1. Transparency. Patients see that AI predictions are being compared with actual outcomes. This builds trust and promotes transparency. 2. Informed decision-making. When doctors explain the model's performance to patients using such visuals, patients feel more involved and confident in their treatment path. 3. Personalized medicine. If a patient's actual and predicted values align well, it could reassure them that the model understands their case history and response patterns. AI/ML model perspective. 1. Performance evaluation. The closer the red and blue bars, the better the model's performance. Line charts highlight trends, helping spot overfitting/underfitting. 2. Error diagnosis. For example, patient 1 and patient 7 have visible prediction errors. The model may need retraining or more features. 3. Continuous learning. This visual feedback helps data scientists refine and retrain models based on real-world mismatches. Summary. Role: what they see, how they use it. Doctor: gaps in predictions vs reality, evaluate model reliability, decide treatment. Patient: personal result comparison, build trust, gain clarity on decisions. AI model: prediction accuracy, identify errors, learn, and improve.